So who am I? I am a mom of three, a working mom, but I'm really passionate about just helping women really over the age of 40, just age with confidence. So confidence, strength, and independence, I would say that's like my key thing that really, really hits home with me. Also, I've been a business owner for over 20 years. So I've owned a brick and mortar med spa for over 20 years. It's really evolved over the 20 years after each child that I had. But so right now I'm a solopreneur, but I've had this med spa, yeah, since 2003. It was salon and spa, then just spa, and now it's just me as a solopreneur. And then I really, during COVID, when we were shut down, wanted to, I don't know, just have another way to like generate income. And I was like really struggling with that and tried different different things. But recently launched something called Firm Over 40, which is a method that I created to really help women, just age smarter, age better, and feel good about themselves as they age. So before joining Authority Accelerator, I was working with other coaches and trying different things on my own. I actually launched, so in addition to my brick and mortar, I launched a business targeting, estheticians, which is what I do, and helping them grow. And I just actually pre-created everything. So the opposite, like exactly what Sunny tells you not to do, created all the content and was trying to sell it and just realized like it wasn't resonating with me. Like it didn't feel like authentic to me. It wasn't like something I was really passionate about. So I didn't want to get up every day and really pursue that. And then after that, I found another coach that, I really liked, but I realized after doing it that it wasn't something I wanted to pursue, which was like this low ticket offer funnel situation. And, they helped me create the low ticket. And I just like realized also after doing it, it wasn't like resonating with me. And I'm old enough now at 50 to know like what I want and what I don't want. And I don't want to like waste my time. And it's not really about the money. It's more about making the impact and helping as many women as I can. And through this like low ticket offer, it just didn't sit right with me. It just wasn't right. So then I was like looking for something else and found Sunny's channel, and just like it really resonated with me, like the one product and like the one person and the one solution. I don't know, it just for me really hit home, and I just really wanted to take that approach. And so, but I obviously wasted a lot of time, money, but I try not to look at it as a negative. It's more as like a growth process, and I wouldn't have gotten to where I am now if I definitely would not have gotten to where I am now without having gone through those steps to realize like what it is I really wanted to pursue, and how I wanted to make an impact. So that's where I am now. So how my life has changed since I've enrolled in the program. I just feel like more, I don't know, like in my zone, like at peace, as Sunny says, even though it's a lot of work and, that's fine. I can see like the end goal. So, I just am really happy. I launched, my pop, and had, I have 8 women enrolled in it, which was like exciting because it was, not something I had thought was really possible. So I don't know, it's just really shocking to me and still hard to wrap my mind around that this is like the projection of where I'm going. And it's like what I've always been wanting, and I couldn't really figure it out, but I can see like the path now, thanks to this, Sunny's program. So having the 8 women enrolled, and, we're starting mid-December with rolling out the program. And I have, 2 to 4 more women that are, possibles to enroll in the program as well. And, my goal was really only to have maybe 5 to 7 women just, start in the initial phase. So, I'm super excited that I've been able to get even more than that into this phase. So I would say, I'm just happy, really happy with like the projection of where I'm going, and everything that this program has brought to me is really what I was looking for. So I would just say I'm at peace and excited for the next chapter. So results I've been able to achieve. So I have enrolled 8 women so far into my POP, and I have 2 to 4 more women that I need to follow up with which is amazing. And the $1,100 price point is also amazing to me because I did try something, similar before finding Sunny, which was like a $40 a month price point of like fitness and nutrition to help women. And I have like a database of clients within my current business that I, asked, and, there was a big excitement to try it. And what I realized when I launched that like $40 program was that one, like the women weren't really following it and they weren't serious about it. So, obviously it wasn't a high enough price point for them to take enough, action. And I really didn't want to just take their money. So I actually shut the program down on my own, to find another solution for them, because it wasn't about just getting their money. It was really about making an impact for their lives so that long term that they feel good about themselves as they're aging, because women are living so much longer. And I just want them to feel good about themselves. Like it wasn't about just like the $40 a month. So I completely shut it down, and went with this new program when I found Sunny. So in addition, like I had a YouTube channel and I just wanted to check out my stats, but I had a YouTube channel that I've been playing with for years on and off and just couldn't figure it out. But I followed Sunny's program, the YouTube strategies, and like the first video that I posted got over 300 views, and 15 comments, which is amazing because some of my other videos within the same topics would get like 40 views, 50 views, and like really no comments at all. And I just posted another video the other day, and it's already at like 150 views and already has some comments on it. So the comment part is like amazing because I really have not had that in any of my other videos. So that's been huge for me. I've gotten 32 more subscribers on my YouTube channel. Also, let's see, compared to the previous 28 days, it says 256% more growth. So the YouTube channel, and I know it's like the ideal people because I am following Sunny's blueprint of, targeting this specific audience. So even in my thumbnails, it's like specifically for women over 40. So that's been really amazing for me and I'm super happy with that. So yeah, so that's it. So I would say those are like the main things. I'm super happy with the growth so far. So if someone is thinking about investing into the Authority Accelerator Program, I would definitely highly suggest it. I would say it's definitely not like fast money, but if it's something that if you're looking for a program that is authentic to who you really are, that where you want to really make a difference in people's lives, and you're not just looking for like a quick dollar, then this is 100% the place that you should invest your money and know that, it will take time, but, enjoy the process and enjoy like all the steps along the way because you as a person grow as well. And it's just been such an amazing experience for me because I feel like I've grown and then I'm, passing that along to, all the people that are participating in my program. So I can't, speak any higher of it. And that's, saying a lot, honestly, because I've been a business owner for over 20 years and I've tried a lot of different strategies on my own, and with other coaches. So, for me, that's actually, saying a lot. So I highly suggest giving it a go.